Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for August 13, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, not too hard to see this currency pair is in an uptrend, overall uptrend, as we've seen it moving higher since beginning of May. Started way down here at the bottom of the blue trend line and has been moving higher ever since. We went into a little period of range-bound congestion here in the middle of the trend, eventually breaking out and continuing the trend. Here we are in that similar area. We're kind of bouncing around inside the black box at the top of the chart. Let's just list out those support resistance levels inside that black box. The blue zone, 1.1735, 1.1710. The yellow zone, 1.1825, 1.18, and the orange zone, 1.1915, 1.1890. That's our zones that we're concerned with at the current moment. Support at the blue zone, breakout above the yellow zone may lead to the orange zone. That's our thought for the day today. Let's take it on down here to the 4-hour time frame. You can see those colored shaded areas in a little bit more detail here. Blue zone clearly support. Over the past couple of days, we've seen the market find support there and moving higher. We pushed through the 118 level yesterday. We spoke about that during the live trade room yesterday. That was one of the key breaking points that we wanted to look for yesterday, was that break of 1.18, the bottom of the yellow zone. If we got through there, what our expectation now is that we're looking for maybe a little bit of a dip now to use that yellow shaded area as support before continuing to rise towards the orange shaded area at the top. That's our main objective today, is watching for it to stay above that yellow zone, maybe sit down on top of that support, that 118.25, 15, 10 area, and then we look for it to go higher. The risk here is that it gets back under the yellow zone and goes back down again. So stop losses on any longs will be underneath the yellow shaded area. Now, what I'd prefer to see to make sure that this is a real deal breakout, not a false breakout, is that it opens and closes above 118.25 and that yellow shaded area. So far we've seen a close, blue candle closed, current candle open, but it hasn't closed above. So that would be the next confidence booster, and that's what I really look at every indicator as, is a confidence booster. So the next confidence booster is that it stays above the yellow zone and uses that as support. It may not get all the way down to 118.25 before going higher again, but that's the objectives that we're looking for it to do that. It's kind of a similar situation that you saw right here. It was moving higher. It made a little bit of a dip back down, not extraordinary, but a little bit of a dip back down, and then made the next push. So the next phase of that is what we're looking for. We're looking for that next phase of this rise, where it hesitates, maybe dips back down, getting closer to the yellow zone. Closer to the yellow zone improves our risk reward, because our risk and stop loss becomes smaller on any longs if we take them. And again, our target is back to the orange zone today for the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.